Phil, that's some video, huh?
Jeez,
My
we were just
goodness.
talking about, can you imagine driving through that?
Unreal.
Yeah, it sure is. So very dry out there right now, Uke. We have the opposite. We were dry for a long time, as you know, over the past couple of months. We are still in a big drought. Tonight, we have the damp weather. We have the showers that are moving through. We have the fog, and we remain on weather alert for a couple of reasons. It's for your day tomorrow. What can you expect? Well, we have the heavy rain. We're looking at 1 to 3 inch totals around our region. We have strong winds. They could be gusting up to 50 miles per hour at times. That's going to have your impacts for your commute both morning and afternoon, and it goes through about 9 o'clock tomorrow night. So it's going to be an all-day thing. Let me show you what's going on specifically outside right now. First, look at our live camera in Camden. You cannot even see the bridge, let alone across the river to Philadelphia. So fog is out there now. It's not going to be around all night long because the showers that are working in, look at this batch of rain that just moved through Philly. It's now into North Philly, heading up towards lower Montgomery County and up into Bucks as well. This will help churn things up a little bit as the winds increase, and the showers and the heavy rain drape all the way down over the Chesapeake, right over through the Delaware Bay, down to the Chesapeake Bay, through Delaware and back into eastern parts of Maryland. This is an hour from now, so let me take you through the overnight hours. Out the door tomorrow morning. Allow yourself extra time. Plan on there being rain. We're on weather alert. We're on the air early. Kate will be in. She'll be walking you through where those showers are, where the delays are, if we have any fog. We get into your 8 o'clock in the morning time frame, take you to say 10, perhaps a break a time or two, but plan on there being rain for the most part all day long, especially the afternoon. Here's where I want to focus in on you. You see this line? This is the actual cold front. This is noon. Let me take you to say 1, 2 o'clock. And along this line, that is where the most active weather is going to occur. The heaviest rain, the gustiest winds. We may potentially have a lone severe thunderstorm warning as this moves across our area during that noon to 3 p.m. time frame. And then once it crosses, we still keep rain for a few hours, and then we're going to see the temperatures really drop dramatically. By about 9 o'clock, as I mentioned, this thing is over. Widespread 1 to 3 inch rainfall totals around the area, so there could be localized flooding, but the winds are going to be a potential issue, big time. So 7 o'clock, a little gusty. Not a huge deal. Here's at 10 o'clock, 20 to 30, if not 40 mile per hour gusts. Watch this as the cold front comes across. I'm going to stop this at 1 o'clock. 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. Look at this, a 55 mile per hour forecast. If you get a thunderstorm that adds just a couple of miles per hour, National Weather Service will issue a severe thunderstorm warning. And that's through about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. After that, the winds stick around. They're not 50, but they're, 20 to 30 all night long. This time tomorrow night, we're still going to be talking about that. And boy, that is going to have a major impact on your temperatures. I want to show you the wind chills, the feels like temperatures at least. Tomorrow, it is a mild day. You go out in the morning, it's about 60 degrees. We're going to be in the 60s through the early afternoon. And then the temperatures drop. 24 hours later, let's take 1 o'clock tomorrow, feeling like 61. 1 o'clock on Thursday, 31. We're looking at a 30-degree temperature difference in the way that it feels from one day to the next. You can't ignore that when you go out. It's going to smack you in the face. So let's focus on the 7-day detail. So we're on weather alert tomorrow, 64 degrees. Now, the air temperature itself on Thursday morning, 34 in Philadelphia. Some of you, especially in our western zones, could get down into the low 30s, upper 20s. So if you get 2 inches of rain and you have ponding out and then you drop into the 20s, Thursday morning, there could be some very wet and very frozen spots out, mainly where you're walking. I wouldn't expect the roads to be frozen, but you want to be careful. Then Friday morning, the air temperature 24. Feels like temperatures into the teens very easily. So Thursday and Friday morning, both bitterly cold. Same thing with Saturday morning. We're down to 25. So we are in another deep freeze here for these mornings. Then we're going to rebound the numbers back up into the 50s, tracking more rain on Sunday and potentially into Monday. But tomorrow, once again, it's going to be the rain, 1 to 3 inches, and the winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour, especially between noon and 3 p.m. That is that time frame that we'll watch very carefully. And Uke, we've already talked about, we're going to be doing cut-ins throughout the day. We'll update you as those storms roll in and that type of thing.
Thank you, sir. You and the team. Appreciate you.